Padlocks are padlocks are padlocks, right? Wrong. FJM Security Products offer heavy-duty, high-security, pick-proof padlocks from our line of Sobo locks for any outdoor application. The Jimmy-proof D-shaped padlocks feature a freely rotating hardened steel shackle that discourages cutting or sawing, and it's available in two sizes, 60mm and 80mm. They come key-to-like and key-different, and both D-style locks are triple chrome-plated with a solid brass internal body, which is great for marine use and shipping containers. These Sobo locks are both bump and pick-proof. They have no internal springs that will corrode or bind up over time, and they come with 4 high-security European-style keys. To open the pick-proof D-shaped lock, simply insert the key and turn clockwise. The key is required to turn 90 degrees prior to connecting with the discs. Simply turn the key another 90 degrees to open your lock. The key retaining feature ensures your padlock is not left unlocked. With its beefy attitude, high security system, the D-shaped locks are reliable, rugged, and available at a very competitive price.